Hello and welcome to pen spinning finger, phalanx, and face notation. In this video, you'll understand how to read and write basic slot notation with fingers, phalanxes, and size. This is a useful part of pen spinning notation to more accurately represent certain finger slots. It's also a required part of knowledge when it comes to certain finger cross notation, such as O-type FCs. Pen spinning basic slot notation in a nutshell is normally two letters or numbers to represent the pen mod in between those two locators. Each letter and number represents fingers and parts of the hand or arm. The letters are capitalized when representing base locators such as arm, elbow, wrist, hand, back of hand, palm, thumb, and thumb flap. When writing slots, it's important to write them in a particular order to be as clear as possible when notating. The locators must be written in the order arm, elbow, wrist, hand, back of hand, palm, thumb flap, index, middle, ring, pinky. For example, slot 1-2 is correct when slot 2-1 is incorrect. The only exception to this rule is dot notation. Check out my dot notation video for further explanation on that. Now that you know basic slot notation, we can move on to phalanx notation. Phalanxes are lowercase letters that act as sort of a modifier to the base locator. The phalanxes are W for metacarpal, X for proximal phalanx, Y for middle phalanx, Z for distal phalanx, T for tip of the finger, and K for any finger joint. When combined together, such as WX, XY, or YZ, they represent the joint in between the two sections. To actually notate this, we would put the phalanx notation right after the base locator we want to apply it to. For example, to notate knuckle of the pinky finger, we would write 4 for the pinky, then WX right after. Another example, to notate this slot precisely, instead of saying 1-2, we could say 1Y, 2Y. Now that you know phalanx notation, let's learn some side notation. While phalanx notation specifies the section of finger, side notation specifies the side of finger section. The sides are B for dorsal side, P for palmar side, S for either lateral face, and SP for pinky side, and ST for thumb side. Similar to phalanx notation, side notation is written after the base locator, but it's also written after the phalanx locators. You need a base locator to use side notation, but you do not need a phalanx locator. For example, to notate this slot precisely, instead of saying 1-2 or 1Y, 2Y, you could say 1Y SP, 2Y ST. Another example is this slot notated as 3P, 4B. When combined with finger cross notation, we can write O-type finger crosses with a specific side notation such as these. If you want to learn more about finger cross notation, check out my video all about that. If you're watching this video around the time of its upload, check back in a week and keep an eye out for its upload. Thanks for watching. See you next time.